Today we are working on our Oaklynn pattern, and I wanted to do a quick little video on how to match sizes with a dolman pattern because it is a little bit different than our typical set-in sleeve patterns. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have both sizes printed and you've aligned them at the shoulder. Now on the solid bodice of Oaklynn, I've already done this for you in the design program, so you won't need to print both sizes. But if you are making the color block bodice, you will need to print both sizes and then align them at the inside shoulder. Now what we want to remember with the dolman sleeve is that this shoulder seam is what's going down the length of the arm. And this right here is actually what's going around the arm. So this will correspond to our width. So right here I have size 4, which is the purple, and size 5, which is the blue. They're aligned at the inside shoulder, and I am just going to start right here at this inside shoulder and trace along the size 5 all the way down the entire length of the size 5. I'm going to continue down the size 5 along this side right here, and I'm going to stop when I get to the size 4 along this arm seam. Move this up so you can see it. And then I'm going to go in to the size 4. And I'm going to trace the size 4 all the way down to the bottom hem. Now I'm going to go ahead and just trace to the full hip cut line. So the size 4 full hip cut line ended here, but I kept going to the size 5 full hip cut line. And then I just followed the size 5 all the way along the center fold line and along the neckline. And the new red line will be my new pattern piece, and so I'll just cut that out and use it as my full pattern piece.